Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Usually I write these very well-written scripts that sound professional about how to do something or a review of a certain website or a certain app. But today we're reviewing rentacyberfriend.com. It's literally what it does on the badge, which is if you want to be someone's friend. But this is how to be someone's friends, and these are all friends that you can talk to once you subscribe, I guess. So it's a platform where individuals can offer or seek virtual companionship through paid video calls. Users known as CyberFriend set their own rates and availability, engaging in conversations ranging from casual chats to discussions on shared interests. The platform emphasizes privacy with end-to-end encryption and allows users to connect globally. The key features include flexible earnings. CyberFriends can set their own per-minute rates, starting as low as $0.1, with the first minute free for clients. Global reach, connect with users worldwide. Privacy and security, all conversations are encrypted. You've also got a pretty user-friendly interface and diverse interactions. Engage in various topics from hobbies and life experiences to professional advice. The pros: flexible schedule, work from anywhere, setting your own hours. No specialized skills. As long as you're over 18, you have stable internet connection, you can join. And immediate earnings. Start earning as soon as you've approved and begin receiving calls. The platform fees, they take 20% commission. Sometimes there's inconsistent client flow and client behavior. There are instances of clients seeking inappropriate interactions, leading to discomfort for some cyber friends. The feedback from Reddit is quite mixed. Some appreciate the opportunity to earn money, highlighting the platform's ease of use and flexibility. Others express concerns about inconsistent earnings and encounters with disrespectful clients. It's essential to approach the platform with clear boundaries and realistic expectations. To be honest, Rent a CyberFriend offers something quite unique for virtual companionship and income generation. While it presents opportunities for flexible work, potential users should be aware of its challenge, including platform fees and variable client interactions. If you're considering joining, ensure you're prepared for both the benefits and drawbacks.